uh, Shivalik tree, dysentery rose bay, Easter tree, ivory tree, Talicherry bark tree, Conessa tree, tree from the oleander family, Nerium family, Apocynaceae, with twisted ivory white corolla, leaves opposite, full of latex, long cylindrical paired follicles. The tree in Dogari is known as Kogad. In Sanskrit, it is known as Bhadrayav, Kadva Indrayav, Kuda. In Hindi, Kurchi. But in botanical language, it is known as Holerahina pubescens. Earlier it was called as Holerahina antidicentrica. In Telugu it is called as Kodagu. From Kodagu the word Kogad appears to be taken. This particular middle-sized tree or large shrub colonizes the dry Kandi belt in stony, rocky, drought-prone locations. It grows in the wilderness, and its beautiful ivory white flowers catches the beauty of the tree known as Holerahina pubescens. It is often confused with another tree, similar tree, which is Rhytia antidicentrica. This is not Rhytia, this is Holerahina. How to distinguish the two? Holerahina has no corona, no coronal scales in the flower. The flower appears like plumeria, gulcine-like flowers without any corona, and they are twisted. Whereas in case of Rhytia, the coronal scales is characteristic diagnostic feature of any Rhytia species. So Rhytia antidicentrica is basically a South Indian and Sri Lankan species, which is also used against dysentery. The species antidicentrica gets sometimes confused with our North Indian Kogad, Talicherry bark, ivory tree, Easter tree, Holerahina pubescens. This is the tree which has been used in Ayurveda for the treatment of various ailments. Seeds powder is recommended for the treatment of male weakness, against erectile dysfunction. Seeds are useful against amoebic dysentery. Even its bark is antipyretic. The use of Kutaj Harindaryav for the treatment of amoebic dysentery means it can control or it can kill Entamoeba histolytica. It can also act against Shigella bacterium. Even it has been found to be effective against E. coli. So it is antibacterial, antidysenteric. So one of the best drug for the treatment of dysentery. So species name is antidysenterica. So in English it is also called dysentery rose bay. Also known as Kuda, Kurchi. This particular plant have opposite leaves, and if you pluck the leaf, then white latex comes out. This latex is also useful for various skin troubles, eczema. The young leaves of Hullerina pubescens, if the juice is extracted and taken for a week, 7 days, it cures even diabetes. Kutaj, Indrayav, Mithayav is distinguished from, this is Kadvayav, it is distinguished from another closely looking plant which is the Wrightia tinctoria, also known as the Dyer's oleander or Pala indigo tree, which is found in Haryana and Rajasthan, and also source of indigo dye. Wood of Wrightia tinctoria or Wrightia antidysentrica or this Hullerina pubescens is pure white, as if it is ivory. So this white wood is also useful in ternary, in carpenter work, especially the Wrightia species, because they are the tall trees, whereas Hullerina pubescens doesn't grow that tall and it is more medicinal. These seeds are also useful against the kidney stones. So seed powder or seed decoction or Kutaj arist, the bark, is recommended for the treatment of kidney stones, and it is also useful against the painful micturition, also useful in dropsy, abdominal cramps. It is useful even in controlling the uterine bleeding, as it has the hemostatic quality. The alkaloids which are found in seeds, phytochemicals, they are conicin, icoconicimine, whereas in the bark there is phytochemicals which are called as holedicentrine and curcumin. So this medicinal tree, having the white, pure white, ivory white flowers, grow in the dry tracts. So beautiful essay stands written by Hajari Prasad Dwivedi regarding the beauty of Kutaj ke fool. So why it is named as Kutaj? As it is also known as Giri Mallika. It has something like jasmine. Mallika means jasmine. Giri means mountains, hills. So it adorns the beauty of hills, mountains during the scorching summer when there is no flower all around, but it flowers with majestic look. So Hajari Prasad Dwivedi ji points out that what is a name? We should appreciate a person or a character from its qualities. Giri Koot, that way it should have been Kutaj, but its name is Kutaj. Kutaj, whatever way we express the name, it is established fact that Kutaj trees, plants, Hullerina pubescens or rosebay, dysentery rosebay, grows in dry tracts among the rocky habitats. It doesn't care whether somebody appreciates or not, but it lives, it has control over its emotions. So its emotions don't overpower, it is with full. And he says that we humans should also behave like Kutaj, Hullerina pubescens flowers, without any remorse for the odd or unfavorable conditions in life, and we should grow even in the most difficult and trying circumstances, as Kutaj tree grows on its own especially in the dry Shivaliks. Shivaliks means Lord Shiva's hair locks, which during the month of May June look very dry. The landscape is dry, but in that scorching flowerless landscape of Shivaliks, beautiful ivory white flowers fill the landscape with fragrance and beauty, and more beauty in its medicinal healing qualities, which stands adored in Ayurveda and even the latest many formulations, in which the combination of cuttage, not only cuttage but cuttage along with patis, cuttage along with barbading, ambelia, cuttage along with vasa, justicia adotoda, cuttage along with nirgundi, vitex nigundo, cuttage along with other medicinal herbs is recommended for better results, especially even the gingiva officinale, and many combinations are being tried. And this is the medicinal tree, ornamental tree native to India, but it should not be confused with Rhytia antidicentrica. It is Holerahina pubescens with old synonym Holerahina antidicentrica, dysentery roseway. Wood is white, ivory like, so it is called as ivory tree, and it is also called as Easter tree. So this heritage tree, a tree with healing qualities and beauty of flowers during scorching summer, need to be appreciated by the younger generation, so that we are able to understand the way our forefathers try to collate the data and try to use these lesser known plants. Not only use, but even they coined so many names. So we have the Vadrayav, Indrayav, Kotaj, Kurchi, even Dogri, Kogad. All these name variations reflects that our elders were more familiar with the tree, and let us transmit this knowledge down the generation for future of the younger generation, younger minds.